What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, guys. It is daytime 1:21, so I am fixing my sleep schedule. Today I got an apartment tour to start off the day, so hopefully this is informative for y'all. But before we get into it, hit that subscribe button if you're new to this channel and hit that notifications bell, man. So yeah, I'll leave what building this is on the screen, but come check out this unit. So it's definitely a studio. Not very big at all. This right here is a window to the hallway. You do have a dining table right here though. Your closet has stickers on it still, which is not ideal for somebody who wants a new apartment at all, right? Especially if you're a minimalist, you don't want this on your walls. But if there's somebody really girly watching, then this place is kind of like pre-prepped for some girly aesthetic if you're into this. But yeah, for me personally, I would say that they need to take this off. The closet also has a purple tint to it. So yeah, it's almost like asking for only girls to like it. But I'm just showing y'all this apartment to be informative. You got this mid-sized fridge right here. Not bad, but it is used. I can tell it's been used. You got a smart TV with YouTube and FPT Play on it. FPT Play is like Vietnam's version of Roku. But one more thing about this closet. I dislike it because it just made my finger bleed. Like, these right here. Yeah, so my finger got caught in that. So this apartment is gonna stick with me for bad reasons, no matter what. But yeah, you got this kitchen right here. I like that the appliances are white. This unit has definitely been used before. You only got a washing machine. You got a 1-burner hot plate. And then let me show y'all the restroom. Once again, I'm seeing this setup of the shower and toilet kind of being backwards for some reason. But it's nice and has a royal aesthetic to it with the wallpaper and the tiling. And yeah, the bathroom looks pretty clean. And then one more thing about the view. Your only window has a cage. And you're viewing this apartment called 3 Girls Hotel and Apartment. I don't know why they named it that, but Asia has some funny apartment names though, man. I can't even say them on this video without potentially getting my video strike. So yeah, Asia has some funny apartment names. Yeah, that's this place. I like the ceiling lighting aesthetic, but I don't know, man. I view this spot more as a creative studio. If they could remove the bed for you and you could just put a smaller couch, set yourself up your YouTube office or your music office, I view this place as more like a office room. And if you're a man, you're probably not gonna want these purple details going on. But you do have in-unit AC though, right there. And let me test out the bed. The mattress is springy, no complaints with the mattress. And yeah, I think the bed is a queen size bed. All right, guys, we got the next apartment of the day now. Come check this one out. So this one is a little more modern and mutual gender wise, you know. I like the aesthetic. I can tell that someone's lived here before, but I do like the aesthetic of it. You got a lot of cabinetry. You got 1-burner stove top right there. Cabinetry down here below. You have a couple different windows for lighting. This opens. You also have a shade. Got a shade. And then you have a washing machine right here. Got more cabinetry right there. I love the color of the finish. You have a fridge right here. Medium size. Clean. Definitely been used before though. Let me show y'all the restroom now. So I love the restrooms finishes as well. All of the color tones are matching in this place and nothing is really dirty. So it's being used, but nothing's dirty. I love the layout of the toilet and the shower. They're not backwards. And then you got half of a glass door. So you can kind of avoid some wetness because of this halfway glass. You got a towel rack right here. You got a rain head and you have a wand. You have a counter suspended for you to store stuff. And then your counter has a nice finish. Yeah. Oh, and then also you got a microwave down here, Whirlpool. Now let me show y'all the bedroom. So starting off right here, the bedroom has a nice bench, same wood finish, more cabinetry. You got a lamp right here. That's charming for reading and doing work. You have another window for fresh air. And then you can close these blinds. I'll open them for the video lighting. And then you have a coffee table right here. This is neat. Got a big closet right here. 4 drawers at the bottom. So 2 people could really live here together and not feel like they gotta diminish some of their wardrobe. I think there's a lot of clothes space here. You got a nightstand. 1 more drawer. The bed, I think it's a queen size. The mattress is pretty firm, but it does have some give. AC unit right here, which is blowing, it works. You got nice art on these walls. Love the aesthetic of that art already. And then you have a door right here that can give you more breeze, maybe a private walk, or you can just keep it closed. Your TV stand has a drawer or 2. Yeah, you got 1 drawer, 2 drawers. So that's neat. And then you got an LG smart TV. Yeah, it has Netflix and Amazon. So I like this unit, guys. It's more modern than the last place I showed, and it's a little more expensive, but tell me how y'all feel about this one as well. But I'm considering it too, though. So y'all are gonna have to message me privately about this one. Just let me know. All right, guys, I'm just playing with cats really quick before I go grab my first meal of the day. What's up, baby? At my favorite restaurant now, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy. It's still daylight though, so that's exciting. I might even do more outside activities soon. Fingers crossed I will. All right, guys, I am just walking around during daylight now, but I'm planning on wrapping up this video though. Let me know how y'all felt about the apartments. I appreciate y'all for getting me to 8,000 subs. Something else going on today though. I just dropped a new album, so it's linked down below. It's called How Much Is Freedom. If you into soulful hip hop, 90s style hip hop, I think you'll like it. So you can go check out that new album I dropped. And I just appreciate y'all. If you're interested in my consulting, by the way, that is linked down below in the description. You guys can talk to me about traveling ideas for yourself, entrepreneurial ideas for yourself, as well as content creation ideas. So just hit me up if you want consulting with me. I look forward to talking to y'all, working with y'all. And yeah, always remember to buy into your dreams, stay confident, and stay consistent, man. I will talk to y'all tomorrow in the next one. Lay out, man. Peace.